Hello everyone, I am Divya, your maths facilitator. Today we shall discuss exercise 14.2 of class 10 from question number 4. So question number 3 we have already discussed in the earlier videos. If you have missed watching it, then I'll pin up here in the I button. You can click on it and watch those videos too. So let's start the session from question number 4. So in this entire exercise we were discussing about mode of the given data, and in few questions they are also asking you to find mean of the given data. Okay, so mean and mode we are discussing and we are trying to interpret them. The fourth question is also similar. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. So you need to find the mode of the data and also the mean of the data and interpret both the datas. Okay, now, as I told you, for finding the mode, you don't have to modify the table. You can take the table as it is. So, number of students, number of states. Number of states is nothing but frequency. Number of students is nothing but class interval. You all know it. So, number of students are 15 to 20, 20 to 25. It's a continuous class interval again. 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45. 45 to 50, 50 to 55. And the frequency are 3, 8, 9, 10, 3, 0, 0, 2. Okay. Now to find mode, we have already discussed. Firstly, you will find the highest frequency. Out of all the given frequencies, this is the highest frequency. So I'm writing it as F1. Okay. So modal class frequency or nothing but the highest frequency is F1. It is nothing but 10. Okay, and the class corresponding to this frequency is called the modal class. So the modal class is nothing but 30 to 35, and from this the lower limit is 30. So till here it was clear. Okay, now the next one, let me just adjust this. Yeah, okay. So L is 30. Now you will take the frequency above the modal class frequency, which is F0, and you will take one more frequency below the modal class frequency, which is F2. Yesterday in the previous session we have discussed this. So this is F0, this is F2. One above the modal class, one below the modal class frequency. So F0, F1, F2. F0 is 9, F2 is 3. And class length or class size is nothing but upper limit minus the lower limit. 20 minus 15 is 5. Now simple substitute in the formula. Mode of any given data is L plus F1 minus F0. F1 minus F0 divided by 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. So L is nothing but 30 plus F1 is 10 minus F0 is 9 divided by 2 times F1 is 9 minus F0 or F0 is 9. F1 is 10, I'm so sorry. F1 modal class frequency is 10, isn't it? F1 is 10, F0 is 9 and F2 is 3 multiplied by class size is 5. Class length or class size is 5. So this is 30 plus 10 minus 1 is 10 minus 9 is 1 divided by 2 tens are 20 minus 9 minus 9 minus 3 is minus 12. So you will get plus 8 here multiplied by 5. So this is nothing but 30 plus 1 5 is a 5 divided by 8. So firstly convert this 5 by 8. So mode is 30 plus 5 by 8. 5 divided by 8. So 8 you can write 0 point. You can take a point here, so it becomes 50. So 8 6 is 48. You'll have a 2 0. So 8 2 is 16. You'll have a 4 0. So 5 is 40. So it is nothing but 30.625 is the mode of this particular. Yes, it's the mode of this particular given data. Okay, so they are asking you to find the teacher student ratio. Okay, so the mode is nothing but 30.625. That means maximum number of teacher student ratio. Maximum number of teachers are 30.625. Okay, that means teacher student ratio is 30.625. That means for 30 students approximately you have one teacher. Okay, now you have to find mean also. Let us find mean. So to find the mean of the data, I need class interval, I need frequency, I need class mark, which is nothing but xi. Let us find these values first. Class interval, it is given here in the question. So what is the class interval? Yes, class interval is 15, 15 to 20. Whatever is given in the question, I am just writing it. 20 to 25, 25 to 30. This is the data given in the question. 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55. And the frequencies are 3, 8, 9, 10, 3, 0, 0, 2. So what is the sum of frequencies? So you can say 9 plus 8, 17 plus 3, 20, 23, 23 plus 2 is 25 and 1 plus 2 is 3. So sum of frequencies is 35. Let us find class mark. Class mark is 15 plus 20. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Average of the class interval limits. So 15 plus 20 is 35 divided by 2. You will have 17.5. I told you the trick to find the next class mark. What will you do? You will just add the class length here. So 17.5 plus 5, class length is 5, you will get 22.5. One more 5 you add, you will get 27.5. Again add 5, the next class mark you will get. So just add 5. You don't have to always take average, just add 5. Okay, 5 is nothing but the class length or the class size. Now, since my class marks are bigger values, this is F5 frequency, my class marks are decimal values, calculation becomes complicated. So, let us take a assumed class interval. So, let us take this 32.5 as assumed class interval, somewhere in between. We have discussed how to take assumed class interval also in the exercise 14.1 class. So, if you have missed watching it, please do watch because all these classes are related to each other. Okay, so come on. So now xi minus a. So 17.5 minus a, assuming you have taken it as 32.5. So 17.5 minus 32.5, how much will you get? 17.5. So 0 and you will have here 5, 15 minus 15.0 you will get. And again 22.5 minus 32.5 minus 10 you will get 27.5 minus 32.5 minus 5, 32.5 minus 32.5 0, 37.5 minus 32.5 42.5 minus 37, sorry, minus 32.5 you will get 10, 47.5 minus 32.5 you will get 15 and here last you will get 20. Now again you can see all these are in multiples of 5, 15, 10, 5, all are in multiples of 5. So I can take my h value as 5 and I can find a step deviation method, which means I can take ui is equal to, okay, so it is di by h, or you can simply write it as xi minus a by h. Xi minus a is nothing but di. So di is minus 15 by h is 5. 5 is the common factor. We have discussed this method very clearly in exercise 14.1. We have done multiple problems. So I hope you have seen it already and I am not repeating it here. Okay, so it is minus 15 divided by 5 is 3. Minus 10 divided by 5 is minus 2. And this is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my ui values are very small. So I now multiplication becomes very easy for me. So how should I multiply? The last step is you will find FIUI. Okay, just to find FIUI. So FI is 3, UI is minus 3. So you will get minus 9. 8 minus 2, minus 16. 9 minus 9 is one more minus 9. 10 into 0 is 0. 3 ones are 3. 0 into 2, 0, 0 and this is 8. So finally you will find sigma FIUI. Sigma FIUI, how much are you getting here? 9 minus 9 is minus 18 minus 16. You will get minus 34 here. And 8 plus 3 is 11. So minus 34 plus 11 you will get 23, but it is minus 23. Now, what is the formula for mean? This also I gave you a shortcut. So, what is the formula? It is nothing but A plus, assumed means since you have subtracted, you are adding sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi multiplied by h. So that is equal to A is nothing but 32.5. Assumed mean is 32.5 plus sigma fi ui is minus 23 divided by sigma fi is 35 multiplied by h is 5. That is equal to, now simple calculation, 5 ones are 5 sevens are 35. So 32.5 minus 23 divided by 7. So 32.5 minus 7 threes are 21. So I'll have a 2 as reminder. I can take a decimal point and 0. 7 twos are 14. So 14 minus 20, I'll have 6 as a reminder. I can take a 0. So 7 eights are 56. I will have 4 again. I can take a 0. 7 fives are 35. I'm just ending at 3 decimal places. That is sufficient. So 32.5 plus, sorry, it is minus 3.285. Okay, so it is minus. So now just see how much will we get. Just subtract. You will get it as 29.215, or you can round it off to 29.22. So the mean is 29.22, which means average number of, average number of teacher student ratio is 22.22, but maximum is 30.625. Mode is maximum frequency or maximum number, or you can say maximum teacher student ratio here in this question is 30.625. Average is how much? Oh my god, it is erased. So just now we have found, isn't it? What is the average? Just now here we got the answer as 29.22. It is erased. I'm so sorry. So, just play back the video a little. You will find the entire thing. Okay, whatever I have written, you will find it. Right? Chalo then. Before getting into the next question, I have a very important announcement for you. Unacademy Emerge is back. Unacademy Emerge 2.0 is back. As you all know, last time also huge scholarship was distributed, and this time also you have huge scholarship distributed. So scholarship worth 10 crores we are distributing. Okay, so it's a free test. Let me tell you, it's a free test. So you can give the test. There is no preparation needed. You don't even have to prepare. You can happily win the scholarships. And yes, so Dhoni is promoting this. You have Dhoni promoting this an academy emerge because he is captain cool, and the questions in this examination are going to be super cool because it is not related to any subject. These are general aptitude questions, general reasoning questions which you find in every competitive level examination. So he's the best person to promote it, isn't it? So you will have to keep your mind cool and then just analyze the situation and answer accordingly. And as you all know, aptitude is very important for any competitive level examination, so you can test your aptitude here. So the test date is September 19. Okay, and it's a completely free test, all India level test. So students from all over India will be participating in this test. And yes, the topics of the test are mental aptitude, verbal ability, and logical reasoning. You'll have simple chotu questions you can answer, and also you can practice. Even before giving the test on September 19, you can have a practice from the practice session. You can go to practice section and you can practice free test. Okay, and the test will be live all India level on September 19th, and you will get your all India rank. And also every student whoever is participating in the test will receive a participation certificate. Isn't it interesting? So do enroll right now. Okay, choose your dreams. They do come true. Okay, you'll just have to chase your dreams. I mean, it's not choose. You'll have to choose your dream, then chase your dream so that they come true. Okay, so as I told you, you can practice. So you can go for the section practice test, and depending on your class 8, 9, 10, you can choose your class and you can practice. Okay, you can start the test and you can practice. And yes, as I told you, you can win scholarship worth 10 crores. Time date of the test is September 19, and timings are class 6 to 8, timing is 10 to 11 a.m. Class 9 to 10, timing is 11 to 12. Sorry, 12 to 1 p.m. and class 11 to 12 timing is 2 to 3 p.m. That means class 6 to 12 students can give the test. Class 6 to 10 intermediate students can give the test. So don't forget to enroll for the test. You will have 30 aptitude questions. As I told you, general syllabus. 60-minute test. Absolutely no preparation is needed because these are general questions. and it's a free live aptitude scholarship test all India level. You can use this code DMM to enroll for free. Okay, I will give you the link to enroll in the description box just below this video. You can click on it, you will be directed to the page. Choose your respective class, whichever class you are in. Use the code DMM, Divya Mam Max, DMM, and enroll for the test. And also do share this information to all the students whoever are in between class 6 to 12. Okay, so let everyone give the test and let's have a big number, and the scholarship is also very big. Okay, so you can get the chance to win. So don't forget to enroll. And okay, so let's proceed to the next question. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by top batsmen of the world in one-day cricket international. Okay, one-day international cricket matches. So you have to simply find the mode of the data. So directly take down the table. 3,000 to 4,000, 4,000 to 5,000, 5,000 to 6,000, 6,000 to 7,000, 7,000 to 8,000, 8,000 to 9,000, 9,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 11,000. Okay, big table. And what are the frequencies? 4, 18, oh, 4, 18, this is 18. 976311, and out of this, what is the highest frequency? Highest frequency is 18, so this is the modal class frequency. Always the highest frequency is the modal class frequency, which is F1. You are taking it as 18. What is the modal class? Modal class is nothing but this frequencies class. So 4,000 to 5,000 is the modal class, which means your L value is 4,000. What is your above the modal class frequency? You will take it as F naught. Below the modal class frequency as F2. So F naught is 4. Below the modal class frequency, F2 is 9. So now class length, class size. Class length or class size is 1,000. 3,000 to 4,000, it is 1,000. So now my mode, how will you find mode? L plus F1 minus F0. So always I am telling you the shortcut of how to remember. 2F1, 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. Remember, in the way I am teaching you, you will never forget. Okay. So chalo, then L is nothing but 4,000. All the values we have written, now simple substitution. F1 is 18 minus F0 is 4 divided by 2 times 18 minus 4 minus F2 is 9 multiplied by H is 1,000. That is equals to 4,000 plus 18 minus 4, 14 divided by 36 minus 13. 4 minus 4 minus 9 is minus 13. Okay, and multiplied by I have 1,000. Right. So let's proceed now. That is equals to 4,000 plus 14 divided by how much is 36 minus 13? You have 23. 23 multiplied by 1,000. Now you need simple calculation here. So mode is equals to 4,000, okay, plus it is 14 into 1,000. So can I write as 14,000, 14 into 1,000, 14,000 divided by 23. That is equal to 4,000 plus 14,000 divided by 23. If you divide, you will get around 608.695. Just divide 23 divided by 4,000. You will get this answer. So just add. So it will be 4608.695. This is the mode of the given data. The data is nothing but how many international matches, isn't it? Runs scored by, number of runs scored by. So maximum runs scored are 4,608. Chalo, the next question. In the next question also you have to simply find mode. Class interval is given to you and frequency is given to you. So the number of cars passing through a spot on road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes is taken. Okay, so you don't have to, think of so much about the data. All you need to find out is mode. Table is given to you, take down the table. Okay, situation, you don't have to, break your head to analyze the situation there. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Frequency is 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15 and 8. Chalo then which is the highest frequency? I can say 20 is the highest frequency. So my modal class frequency will be how much? It is F1. F1 will be how much? F1 will be 20. So what is my modal class? That modal class will be this class. Okay, the frequency class. So it is 40 to 50 and so L will be 40. And did you observe here in the last class I told you whatever mode value you are getting that has to be in between the modal class. So you are getting 4608, so it is between 4500. Let us check in the previous question also. And yeah, do share this Unacademy Emerge information link. I'll give you in the description box and the code is DMM. Do share it with everyone in your school groups, in your friends group, everywhere. Okay. And yes, here the mode is 30.625. So yes, it is between 30 and 35. So the answer is correct. Okay, that's how you can check. And yes, here is the last question of this exercise actually. So now what do you have to take? You have to take above the modal class frequency and below the modal class frequency, which is F0, F2, and also I want a class length. Tell me the values better. This is above modal class F0, this is below modal class F2. So F0 is 12, F2 is 11 and class length is 10. 0 to 10, 10. So my mode of the given data is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. L is 40 plus F1 minus F0, 20 minus 12 divided by 2 times 20 minus 12 minus F2 is 11 multiplied by H is 10. Now simple calculation. So 40 plus 20 minus 12 is 8 and this is 40 minus, how much is this? 23 multiplied by 10. So I can write it as 40 plus 8 tens are 80 divided by 40 minus 23. So how much will you get? You will get a 17 here. Okay. So now you'll have to simply calculate the value. Mode is equals to 40 plus 80 divided by 17. So you will get around 4.705. Okay, so approximately 3 decimals I am taking. So you will get 44.705 as a mode. That means these many are the maximum number of cars which are passing. Clear beta? So I hope the session is very clear for you. So I'll meet you all in the next class with the next new exercise. Okay, so thank you for watching and do comment and let me know how did you like the video, and don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. And I'm also planning practice test for you. So let's have a big number in the channel and let's study collaboratively and in an effective manner. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.